Hi everyone, how's your day going today? I wanted to show you how to fake the perfect summer glow. Yes, you can get gorgeous skin without actually going in the sun. We all know that the UV rays can really damage our skin. So today I'm gonna show you how to fake the perfect summer glow. And one of the ways in which I do that is by using this body oil and body butter by a company called OSEA. They are a mother-daughter founded company based out of California. Their products are completely clean. They are vegan and cruelty-free. These are my favorite. They are made from Undaria algae. And so what is Undaria algae? For those of you who may or may not have heard of it, it is going to provide so many nutrients. It includes iron, calcium, B1, B2, lots of good things to nourish the skin. OSEA stands for Ocean, Sea, Earth, and Atmosphere. So I'm gonna show you at the end some before and after videos since I've been using these on my skin, and you're going to be amazed at the difference. I'm 54 years old and my skin is very hydrated, especially since I've been using these. So what do nearly all of OSEA's favorite body care products have in common? Undaria algae. It's a superstar to their anti-aging face and body care to give you a secret glow. This luxurious body butter provides 72 hours of hydration. It leaves your skin smooth, nourished, and relieves any dryness. The body oil is amazing to instantly improve skin elasticity and deliver deep moisturization. So I'm gonna start out with the body butter. Smells good. It's a very subtle smell, nothing very overpowering at all. It is super rich and emollient. And basically I put this on right after I shower, and you can see how smooth it goes on. It's not greasy at all. It just smells so light and fresh. And you can see instantly the shine on my right arm compared to my left arm. And that's super hydrated and it will stay like that. So a little bit goes a long way. You do not need to use this, which makes the price point even better. And here we have the body oil. So put a little bit on, you can see it there. I'll do that on the other arm. And that is extremely soft. It just goes right and dissolves right into the skin. So I alternate. Sometimes I use the body butter and other times I use the oil. I also rub it in the little bit of the ends of my hair. So you can also use this for many different purposes. Again, this is from OSEA. I absolutely love it. It will keep your skin hydrated, looking fabulous. You will have a beautiful summer glow because your skin will always be looking great. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and put a link to this in my description. You can use my code Delaney10 and you will get 10% off your purchase. So I really hope you check it out. Now let's move on to some of my other tips. So my next tip, very simple, is to get a loofah or some sort of exfoliating towel that you can use in the shower. And this is very important because you need to first remove the dead skin cells from your body in order to properly have the right foundation on your skin to absorb the products. So I like to buy these in bulk and I usually switch them out every 4 weeks. So this is just a little bit of a poof and I wanted to show you. Plus they're cute and they come in very fun colors. So what do you guys think about my tips for achieving the perfect summer glow without going into the sun? I hope that you love them. I hope that you use them. I'm a big believer in sun protection. Of course, don't forget your sunscreen, guys. That's the most important. Get a visor, a hat, some sunglasses, but you can still look beach ready even without letting those harmful UV rays get to you. Any tips that you have, please drop them in the comments. We're all here to share beauty tips with one another. And if you know anyone you think would benefit from the video, please share it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, lots of fun at the beach or the pool, wherever you are going. And most importantly, your skin looks hydrated. See you soon.